baby. Daddy. Oh. Oh.
Big Daddy.
These are a lot bigger than last time. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that. Oh. Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh, there's one right on your camera.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh my gosh, I mean, right on it.
He's trying to eat it. And I'm all messed up with the juicer right now. Oh, there we go. Dude, there's so many fish down there. Cole, what is wrong with this bluegill?
Let me see.
Look
Musky.
You see his musky lip?
Let me see it.
Dude, how have you not caught a fish yet? Did you get one?
Yep. Oh,
They come off?
yeah.
Look at that. Musky lip. Musky lip.
I'm too close. I have to...
Again.
Yeah, I need to go get it really quick.
Oh, yeah. God dang it. I hate it when they do that.
What?
Catch the camera.
Oh, yeah.
He's all caught up in the camera, too.
Wonder if Keaton's connected. Keaton's connected me.
The Kane leave. Please tell me Kane didn't leave his bait down.
No, I reeled it out.
Okay, God. I'm gonna say that thing's gonna be 20. That bait's gonna be 20 years gone if you left it down.
Oh, he's back.
Is he?
For my first year. The thing wasn't even that hard. People overthought it.
Yeah. It's pretty easy.
Where the heck is, where's mine?
Dude, I hate when they get caught in my juicer.
Where's my fish? Come on, camera.
Ask Isaac if he's bringing the pan out tonight or not.
Oh. He's rubbing us. Are you catching anything, though?
Is that what he said?
I don't ask him about the pan. Catching anything, Kaden?
Oh, I got one.
Oh, come on.
Every time, dude. I need to just have less juicer. I think that's the issue.
Catching any? Me neither.
Oh my god. This thing's disconnected my... What's going on here? Dude, you're about to get smoked by a little one.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
How have you not caught one yet? Cool.
I just don't like my hook. It's too big.
You got pliers, Kaden? You have pliers? Cool, where are your pliers?
Just wait.
Wait, I don't know. There he is, right on camera. Come on. Got him! Oh!
How did you not get him?
Oh!
Hey!
Here he comes. Round 3.
You have him.
There we go.
You had him that whole time.
No! I lost him at the hole! No! Dude, Jim Kite.
You should turn your camera this way
What?
so you can watch a fish bite it.
On my chest?
No.
There we go. We're hooked up. Jim Kite. Here we go.
Oh, it peed.
That's a baby. Dude, do these bluegills just want us to starve? Did you go down?
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong?
Holy crap.
Oh boy.
Shoo. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I just want to have food for tonight.
Oh, that was...
He's pretty small.
Yeah. You scared him away, man.
I'm gonna, when I edit this, I'm gonna edit it so it's split screen with my chest mount and that camera right there.
Oh, yeah. That looks sweet.
That looks sweet.
Alrighty guys, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Yeah, I know I wasn't there, but all of you are so bummed about that, but I just had plans, but you got to see Cole and Ben get into some fish, so that's pretty cool. I wanted to tell you guys, we have plans for this weekend actually, this coming weekend. We're doing a Walmart challenge, $20 Walmart challenge, so that'll be pretty sweet. Stay tuned for that, don't miss that. And then I believe we have a 3-day weekend, so we'll do a little bit more fishing. I think we might try to get some walleyes. We'll see what happens, but before I end this video, I want to give a huge thanks again to our sponsor, Real Big Fish Apparel. You guys need to go check them out. You can use our code Heinz1 or Chido1. We put the codes up in the video, so I'll probably pop those up right now. Use those codes, get 50% off any of your purchases. They make awesome hats and shirts and sweatshirts. You guys gotta go check them out. But other than that, thank you guys for watching today. Check out our Instagram, link will be in the description. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.